Hi everybody, welcome back to Supplementing.com. My name is Brian.
And I'm Amy.
Today we're talking about a natural fat burner called Metabocin.
Metabocin is an advanced thermogenic compound. It contains all natural ingredients. It's safe and effective for various things. It increases your metabolism, it's appetite suppressant, it's a fat burner, and it also increases your energy.
And one of the ingredients in here is raspberry ketones, which you might be familiar with. It's one of the more popular ingredients right now. It's been included in a number of fat burners. It's been on the news, on television, all over the internet. And what it does is it helps to increase the amount of adiponectin, which enhances not only your metabolism and your capacity to burn fat, but it also helps with long-term weight loss. It helps you to keep it off. And that's why it's been included in so many products. That's why it's so popular. And it also has evodyamine. Evodyamine is going to be similar to cayenne pepper, some of those other ingredients that contain capsaicin. And what that does is it just heats the body up and increases the amount of calories that you're burning throughout the day.
Right. It also contains methylsinephrine. And what that does is it stimulates your fat cells to release more fat. Obviously, the whole point of losing weight is to decrease your fat and to lose fat. It also contains Chromax, which again is another appetite suppressant, which eat less, move more, lose weight, kind of the formula.
And this is really a complete thermogenic compound. It's not only going to contain your methylsinephrine, your raspberry ketones, but it contains bioperine as well, which helps to increase the bioavailability of your food. So whenever you're able to use your food, just kind of absorb it better. It enhances nutrient delivery so that you're able to direct it towards fat building, towards muscle building, and you're really just going to get an overall product that's going to increase metabolism and increase your overall health and wellness.
Right. With this, along with other products, it's very easy to take. You take it twice a day, once before lunch and once before breakfast. With that, it also contains caffeine, so you don't want to take it too late in the day or it'll keep you up. As with everything else, you make sure you stay hydrated. And with this particular one, exercise and diet are going to be important. With anything, with any health regimen, with any products you take, exercise and diet are going to help it be most effective for you.
So come to Supplementing.com, you're going to get the best prices on Metabocin as well as all of our other fat burners and muscle building products.